Hello everybody, so we're here doing a Scarefest construction update. Some very exciting stuff happening here at Alton Towers at the moment in regards to Scarefest 2024. So we're heading through Finnan Valley now, head towards Curse, as there is a new building that's been popped up, facilities. If you've seen on my Instagram, we spoke about it, but let's go have a nosy. So coming up here, towards the toilets, this is where the space for the new scare maze is going. See here, concrete on the floor, lights on top of here. Anyways, my theory for this is that this side of the toilets will be closed off and it will just be accessible from Curse, and up here would be the entrance and exit queue lines.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared fest right now. It's going to be so scary when it happens. I've been updated thoroughly and now I'm taking over his YouTube channel again. Take a look at my forehead, it's pretty good. Yeah, bye.
Next thing we have to talk about then is burial grounds. So last year the entrance of it was here. We know for a fact that they are already constructing it. If we just see if we can see anything from down here. Obviously during Scarefest this was the queue line for it. We know the tunnel's gone back in and the end sort of cage section's gone back in, which we may get a view of later. Yeah, so it's pretty much confirmed that burial grounds will be returning this year, and I'm glad. It was really good last year. Wish it would be a bit more intense still. Yeah, we're going to head up towards the towers now to have a look at some more Scarefest construction that way. So our next stop on this Scarefest update is the Alton Towers dungeon. It stopped operation at the beginning of this month to prepare for something this Scarefest. So let's go have a look, see if there's any updates over there. Here we are then at the Alton Towers dungeon, or as it was formerly known. Dungeon sign's been sent here. It's been changed to Scarefest, and obviously new Scarefest with a brand new logo on there. And we're greeted by these big construction walls, which with the exact same sort of construction walls that they had at Daz Games Panic last year, but with massive gaps so we can actually see through them. Doesn't seem like there's much work on. You see this? I can tell there's house lights on in there. You see the ladders outside and some other bits. Oh, looks like they're doing some brickwork just down by one of the statues. And if we have a look down this side, oh, do you see that? There's a rabbit. Oh, was not expecting that. But yeah, it seems like there's a little bits of work going on here. So we don't know what's actually happening, if it's going to be a scare maze or if it's going to be like just an update version of the dungeon. Quite strange. You can just see over there actually the black paint's come off the building. You can see the Charlie paint, and that also brings us onto our next scare attraction, which is literally just around the corner from it. It's a scare attraction. It's a family attraction, Trick or Treat Town, which is in this part of the building that was home to the glass elevators of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. You can just see how the paint is coming off the building, revealing the old Charlie and paint scheme and design. But yeah, this is Trick or Treat Town, which is more than likely going to return because it's a great family attraction. I know I did it and I liked it, and I know that it's very popular. Seems like there's a bit of activity behind the building as well. It's going to be interesting anyway to see what happens with the Alton Towers dungeon, obviously later this year. So by this gate is where Darkest Steps used to be, or the back end of it. The gate is open. As I have noticed, it seems to be left open quite regularly. What do we have to see? See the area's been flattened, no more containers, stuff like that. We'll see a lot more from the other gate. So here we are at the other side of the Darkest Steps site, or what was Darkest Steps. We'll just have a little nosy around. You can't see anything at all. Don't know why I did that. That was a bit stupid. Can you just see through there how it's completely not there anymore? For what was Darkest Steps isn't there anymore, and they have flattened the land to put in the new, where the new scare maze / facilities building will be. The exact copy of the one that's behind Curse. That's probably a good site as well to look through. Trying to get a good view of it. I think this will be our best bet here. There you go. Yeah, completely gone, removed, and they are flattening it for it to be built on for the new facilities maze, which potentially doesn't look like it's probably going to be finished this year. So we'll probably see something here next year, but I can maybe see it being a scare maze or something in the meantime. Which obviously you're going to have to do something to fill the gap that's going to be there left from Doggy Steps. So yeah, time to move on to out front of the towers for Alton Mine Tours. We have a good view through there too. Yeah, Alton Mine Tours. So here we are then, down the side of the towers where we can see some lovely Scarefest construction. The exit to Alton Mine Tours and the queue line for it is all now in place. Quite early on for this, I would say, but we were unsure if any mazes here were going to be returning due to them being inside of the towers, such as the attic up there, which from the Garden House tour we did earlier, we know it is all still in place. The pre-show still built, stuff like that. So that will be returning more likely, and obviously we can see here that the Alton Mine Tours is definitely also returning. Tiny's Revenge format. So yeah, that is it for our Scarefest construction at the moment. Obviously, we're unsure what's happening with Dad's Games, although the symbols are used in the promo images, meaning we do think it will return, which I hope it does, because I've really enjoyed it last year and it was one of my favourite things by the end of Scarefest. Invitation happens just down there. Obviously there's nothing for that yet, which I hope is not returning, because it's not a good thing to have at Scarefest. It doesn't fit the theme, you know what I mean? So I hope that doesn't return. And yeah, so that is it for our Scarefest construction. I hope we see more Scare Mazes this year, as Burial Grounds was great. But yeah, we'll see you in whatever the next video may be. Like, subscribe, goodbye.